Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. I'm excited for this video because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I was starting from complete scratch and I needed to start making money in the next 24 hours and start making $10,000 per month in the next 30 days. This concept is called piggyback marketing. It's a methodology that I've used over the past 6 years of working online full-time, but very part-time, leveraging the power of social media to build an audience, to build a brand, to build a following, and then monetize, aka make money from that brand and that following. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to show you that I practice what I preach. So we're actually logged here into one of my merchant accounts and my Stripe account, and a good bulk of this income has come from piggyback marketing. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this page right here. And you can see once again, $1.3 million that we've done in this one single account. So again, piggyback marketing is taking brands that are already out there, that are relevant, that are hot, that are trending right now, and using and leveraging those brands ethically to build our own influence, our impact, and our businesses in our specific niches. So this works for any type of business out there. It also works for people that are completely brand new, that don't even have a business. These concepts, these ideas are really going to help you start and grow a highly profitable online business without spending any money on ads. No, you're not going to have to spend any money on advertisements whatsoever to build a business such as this one. Now, of course, this is no guarantee of income. I can't guarantee that you're going to make $1.3 million following this methodology, but I can guarantee that if you put in the work and that you're consistent with this, it will change your life and it will change your business. So I want to show you an example of piggyback marketing in action. So for example, if I go to reverse diabetes, you can see all these different ads that pop up inside of Google. So the first thing that we want to do is when we type in any search phrase that's related to our business, our niche, our product, our service, then what we want to do is we want to make sure that there's ads within the search phrases of our niche, showing that obviously there is people paying for products within that niche. It's a niche that's in demand. People, of course, are spending money, and that is the most important thing. So when we type in reverse diabetes, for example, you got an ad here, you got an ad here, you got an ad here, and the way that you can tell is it says right here next to the actual website the word ad. Okay, and then the rest of these pages here do not have ad next to them because these are just simple posts, maybe on a blog, on a website, that are ranking in Google search engine, so they're not having to pay to be here, which is pretty cool. And then at the end you have more ads right here. So what we can actually do is we can click on any one of these. Like for example, this Vescapa, this brand here, I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it looks like it is for people that have diabetes. As you can see here, I'm just seeing the word diabetes, kind of just quickly scouring this website. And I'm actually going to take Vescapa, I'm going to type it into another website called Google Trends. Okay. I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we want to be leveraging brands that have a lot of search volume, that have a lot of people that are researching that particular brand online. And then what we're going to be able to do is use social media such as blogs, such as YouTube, to piggyback off of the brand to build our own audience. So we're going to go ahead and type in Vescapa. We're going to click enter. And what Google Trends is going to tell us is the interest over time for this specific brand name. So you can see the interest over time for the past 12 months. It's been, right around 50, it looks like, which isn't too bad. What we can also do is go all the way to 2004 to present here. And the way that you get to Google Trends, by the way, you guys, you can just type in trends.google.com, or just like I showed you, you can go to google.com and just type in Google Trends. But you can see that Vescapa has been trending up since right around the end of 2013, the start of 2014. And then what we can do is we can scroll down and we can see other related queries that people are typing into Google that relate to Vescapa. Now, the great thing about Google is the fact that people are typing in exactly what they want online. Unlike social media platforms like Facebook or Twitter or like Pinterest or Instagram, the viewer experience is much different, and people are on those platforms for a much different reason. They're not in research mode. They might not have a lot of pain. They might be watching cat videos, for gosh sakes, and they see a ad about learning how to lose weight, for example. But at that given point in time, they might not have a pain that's great enough to want to lose weight. But if they are on Google and they're actually typing in lose weight, or they're typing in a brand name such as Vescapa, they're probably in a point where there's a lot of pain in their lives. They're looking for a solution, whether it be, in the form of a supplement, in the form of information, a product or service, so on and so forth. So again, we can see Vescapa is really trending upwards. So this is a good indicator that, this is a brand that's growing, that we could probably leverage, that has a lot of search volume over on Google. Another way that we can research Vescapa and their search volume further is I like to go to youtube.com, and I'm just going to type in Vescapa again. And you could see, just based off of the top few search results right here, this video has 11,000 views, this video has 8,000 views, this video has 13,000, 2.8 thousand, 3,000, and it looks like all these videos were uploaded in the past year. So if we take the sum of all these, top 4 to 5 videos and divide them by 4 or 5, that's going to kind of give us a relative idea of how many views that we can get to a video that's based around Vescapa. Okay, let me give you another example with a recent business that I consulted for. This is Dr. Miller, and he helps people reverse the diabetes process. He helps people with PCOS. And I started consulting for him actually about 5 years ago. And we went through the same exact process. One of the names that, is an actual drug that helps regulate blood sugar levels is known as metformin. So I went out there and I'm like, okay, we did the same research. And I said, okay, you need to create a video around metformin and the side effects. Check this out, you guys. Almost 500,000 views, if you guys can see this right here, on this one single video. And what he was doing is leading people from this specific video into a consultation call. As you can see, here's his calendar right here. People would book a call, and then he would sell them on a $2,000 to $5,000 package to help them reverse their diabetes. And this was all from 100% free advertising, free traffic. You can not only do this on YouTube, but you can do it on a blog as well. So if I go to google.com and I type in metformin side effects, okay, and you have all these blogs right here. You can see it doesn't say ad next to it, which means all these blogs are ranking for free. They're getting free viewers, free exposure. So like, for example, Medical News Today, this one right here. Here's the article. And then a lot of times at the end of some of these blogs, there's a call to action, like sign up for a daily newsletter, and then they start promoting you different stuff that might be related to reversing diabetes. So the cool thing about what Dr. Miller did in particular is the fact that he had his own product already that he can make money from. And he used video marketing as a vehicle and piggyback marketing as a vehicle to further grow and scale his business. If you don't have a specific product to sell, don't worry. There's a concept and an idea called affiliate marketing, which you can actually promote and sell other people's products to build your business. So if you don't have a business, you can simply go to google.com and you can type in affiliate program. And this is great for people that, or just affiliate programs, but this is great for people that don't want to have to create sales material, that don't want to have to sell, that don't want to have to create the product and the web pages and a lot of the marketing. All they want to do is leverage piggyback marketing like I'm showing you right now, and use that to drive people into an affiliate program, somebody else's product, and earn a commission off of it. So you can go to Google and type in affiliate programs, and there's tons of different affiliate networks that have many different products within their networks that you can promote and sell for a commission. So you can simply just type in affiliate programs. There's just going to be a list of a ton. There's one specific affiliate network that I really like. Okay, you can see there's just a ton right here. Pepper Jam. You've got Amazon's affiliate program. You've got Forex referral, Outbrain. It looks like this is kind of for the Forex financial markets. But you can actually go to clickbank.com. And the reason why I love ClickBank, and by the way, you business owners can also do this by actually promoting other people's products as well as promoting your own products to further scale your business. That's what a lot of people don't do, is they're just busy trying to promote their own products. But sometimes people like different flavors, right? They go to a buffet because they get a lot of different options. Some of your list, some of your prospects, your audience might not resonate with your product, but they will resonate with somebody else's product. And that's why it's great to have affiliate marketing in your arsenal. So you can actually sign up for free by clicking the sign up button here, 100% free to join. They pay on time every single week. And once you get signed up, I'm just going to go back to the homepage. You just simply log in and enter your email and then password here, just your username, and it's going to take you to the dashboard here. And then what we can simply do is go to Marketplace. And for example, in Dr. Miller's instance, I'm just going to type in reverse diabetes as the niche. You could see there is a product right here that pays out $20.69 on average per sale. And all we need to do is click the promote button and then generate hop links. Enter your account nickname here, generate hop links, and you can see this affiliate link is customized to you. So you can actually go out there, you can share this link across the internet. For example, beneath your YouTube videos, like the example that I just showed you, or at the end of your blogs or throughout your blog posts. And when somebody clicks on your unique affiliate link here and they complete the checkout process, you get, in this case, $20.69. So this is just an example of the diabetes niche. You can see that this pays out $28.37, $40.29. This is a great product right here. And I could just simply click on the product name right here. It's going to take me to the actual sales page. And this is, what people would call a sales video. Somebody watches a video and then there's a buy button that shows up and they simply check out and buy. So again, as an affiliate, you're not having to set up all this stuff on the back end. All you need to do, once again, is just simply click the button right here, generate hop link, and share your affiliate link, right? Using the piggyback marketing methodology. Now, let me just show you some other examples of this specific case study with Dr. Miller. Diabetes symptoms of men, 48,680 views. Again, he's offering a 15-minute consult in which he sells a high-ticket package for $2,000 to $5,000. Another example, this video has 53,000 views. Same process. So you can see that this just on YouTube, just leveraging YouTube, this works incredibly well. I've also got a channel that I've created myself. You can just simply go to Google and type in Joshua Elder, or go to YouTube and type in Joshua Elder, and it's the listing here at the top. You can see I have 72,000 subscribers and 574 videos. This is in the actual affiliate marketing niche. So I actually got started promoting other people's products and then eventually graduated, as you could say, to a consultant, started creating my own products, and started just teaching other business owners and new entrepreneurs how to build and grow a brand and an audience using piggyback marketing and vehicles such as social media channels like YouTube. Okay, and so here's some other examples of me, doing product reviews, specifically leveraging brands and leveraging products to build my business around. So you can see again here, Commission Hero Review is an actual product that I'm leveraging. I'm ranked #1 at the top of YouTube when people type this in. Again, here's another one, Perpetual Income 365. You can see that I'm ranked right here in about the 3rd position, got a lot of views that way. And then here's another one, this specific MLM company known as Forsage. I was able to rank #1 and got 94,000 views to this one company name. So doing reviews on companies, gurus, famous people, brands, different products and services, these types of search phrases on YouTube and Google have very low competition on Google and YouTube and often have high search volume. And you could be able to leverage these to build your brand and build your influence, because that's what it's about in 2020 and 2021 and beyond. It's all about building a brand. It's building trust up front with your audience and then selling your products and services on the back end. So it's called selling without selling through value-based marketing. So my question is, how would you like to spend the next 30 days where I'm going to actually show you exactly step by step? Every single day, I'm going to release one video to you that's going to show you how to take a brand new business or even your current business from zero to potentially making $10,000 per month in the next 30 days. There's going to be homework every single day to complete. So you're simply going to log into a membership area. You're going to watch a video. You're going to complete the homework. And we're going to dive deep into piggyback marketing. I'm going to show you how to build a brand with piggyback marketing, monetize it with your own products, as well as monetize it, aka make money from other people's products, so you can really not only create the impact, but also make the money that you deserve. So if you like the sound of this, go ahead and click the link below right now. If you take action today, you're going to get this offer for up to 80% off. And in addition, as a bonus, every single week, we're going to jump on a live Zoom call. And I'm going to answer all of your questions, any questions that you have whatsoever as it relates to the training for your given industry, for your given product, your given situation, whether you're somebody starting out new or whether you're somebody that's experienced. So if you want to follow along with me as I show you how to take a business, a brand new business from nothing to generating customers consistently using and leveraging piggyback marketing, then go ahead, click the link below. You'll get access to those videos every single day. So after you complete one video on a given day, the next day a brand new video will open for the next 30 days. Okay, and then you'll have the homework, you'll have access to the weekly Zoom calls. This is going to be the best investment that you make this year. I can promise you that I'm going to give you 10x the value than what you're paying for. And heck, if you don't get any value from it, if you want a full refund, we'll give you 30 days. Actually, you know what? Screw it. We'll give you 60 days for a full refund. Okay, no questions asked. You send a support ticket over to our website, hightickethelp.com/support, and we'll be glad to go ahead and send you a full refund. Not only that, as a bonus, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage high ticket products, high ticket affiliate marketing products that you didn't have to create and make up to $16,500 commissions from those products. So if you want to make a change in 2020, 2021 and beyond, and you want to grow and scale your business to the next level and your life, then this offer is definitely for you at a ridiculous discount. Go ahead, take me up on this offer right now before the countdown timer hits 0, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.